Today I will show you some specifics of writing capital letters with the Pen 68 brush. Here you can see two variants of the capital A, one with a loop and one with a simple cross stroke. The style of writing the B is similar to many other letters. Always make one thick stroke downwards, take the way up again and let the belly tilt out. The letter should be finished neatly. A loop can be added to it, which will make it easy to attach the next letter to this connector. The same process can be repeated for other letters. For the C, we first move the tip of the brush to the upper left and then make a thick curve downwards. The same applies for the letter E. Once again, I'll show you the letters up close. Here you can see exactly how the path of the pencil runs with the B and the C. And also the E can be seen here from another perspective. Again, it is important to finish the letter neatly, so finish nice, thin and controlled, and don't get sloppy like in this example here. As you may have seen, many letters are deliberately used with the so-called white space. These are the free spaces that give the letters more aesthetics. This is most evident with the M and the N. In general, all letters should be written in one flow, but this is not possible with the letters H, F and K, so they are written in intervals. For the letters G and Y, we also stop in between so that we can start with thick strokes from the top to bottom. For the T, we start the stem and then draw the thin upper stroke from left to right. Left-handed people draw the stroke from right to left. And finally, here's the overall view of the capital letters.